mga class ng companions. Not all companions kasi fit the same way, no? Ang mga dogs, active yan. They want to walk, play, or to follow. And for some seniors po, especially dun sa early stages pa lang ng dementia, this can be wonderful. It gives you the structure, yung routine, kasi lalabas mo, ilalakad mo. It gives the senior a reason to get up and move. Kasi maganda yung may movement ang isang senior para nakakalabas siya. But here's the part that we have to pay attention, especially kapag po aso, no? As the dementia progresses, nag-iiba yung coordination. Yung judgment nababago, ha? Nagkakaroon na ng pagbabago sa pag-process nila. Kaya nga, yung short-term memory nawawala. So, maapektuhan ng judgment. So, yung balance, yung paglakad nila, medyo apektado yan. And then, suddenly, yung dati na mabait na dog, can become delikado. Yung dog, hindi niya maintindihan na yung dementia nag-progress. So, akala niya, yung kanyang master na dati, takbo pa rin ang takbo. Yung mga quick movements ng mga pets, ng aso, the senior might not be able to adjust in time. Pero ang aso talaga, it makes the senior get up and move.